One of the most common issues with the fridge is that you don't have a water supply in your dispenser. When you check up the filter and it's good, or you replaced it obviously, the second part which pops up in the mind of the technician is the water inlet valve. In here we have a three-way valve. This is the inlet line, this is the water line, filter line and dispenser. This valve is obviously broken. However, in most of the cases you cannot tell if it's broken or not because the main issue with the clamp inside of the valve. But sometimes you can say that the valve is broken when you have water on your flow. That means the valve starts leaking, in most of the cases, from the connection point. Feel confident replacing the water inlet valve? Have a look at the video, I put the link below in there so you can do it yourself. Otherwise, call the tech. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, ring the bell, smash the like, so basically you know what needs to be done.